Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 and I am back with another review for Modelones. This is a collection of 6 pieces and I'm going to show you how beautifully packaged they are. You can see the colorful box on the outside. On the back you have some warning and some contact information. This is available on Amazon and I will have the link down in the description bar below. As always, they do include a little pamphlet that shows, it's got instructions on how to work with gel, and other colors are available if you are new to using gels. A product safety little card, and check out the packaging. So it has this velvet compartment here with each slot holding the bottle securely. Let me go ahead and remove these out of the box so I can show you the colors. Just to show you really quick, this collection consists of, there is a bright red color in here, there are some nude colors, a hot pink, bright pink, and some lighter pink colors. Now I'm going to go ahead and jump into the swatches and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so here are all the swatches. This is 2 coats for every single color. Beautiful cream colors. I put them in order of intensity here. Oh my gosh, that red is so bright. This is just fiery red, super bright. I love this magenta color too. I think the first 3 would be beautiful for Christmas. I think they make beautiful Christmas and winter colors. This is a very pretty lilac, and then it goes into kind of like a mauve with this pink, and this one's more of a taupe color, a nude color, and then the light pink right there. For some reason this one's looking kind of purple on my camera. Hopefully on the video it will look more true to color. Oh, also guys, before I forget, I do have a 7% discount code for you, so if you check that out, I'll scroll it down in the description bar below, but it's a long number, so I will have it down in the description bar below. That's a code that you apply at checkout on Amazon, on the Amazon link, for a 7% discount. But yes, these are absolutely gorgeous colors. Love the formula. They work absolutely well. And so here are the bottles. Again, a set of 6 available on Amazon. If you guys have any questions about these, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I would like to thank Modelones for sending me these gorgeous polishes to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.